Hello students, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். So கண்டிப்பா as we are approaching towards January, one of the important questions that the current plus 2 students will be having, particularly those who want to look at the engineering stream for the further studies, engineering or the technical side of it, is the JEE mains path. So today we want to answer this very pertinent question, and because there will be definitely a major chunk of students who may have started the JEE preparation during the plus 1 plus 2 but might not have got the kind of preparation that they want. And there will be also students who would not have really started the JEE preparation. So avungalukku enna this question, if we are going for these crash course or crash program or fast track program, whatever you call it, for the JEE mains, is it beneficial at all? Is it worth it, if you want to put in very simple terms? So vaanga inikku enna we will try to get answer for this question, not just as a mere lecture kind of a thing, but more through data. So for the benefit of the students who, I'm sure most of the students who are watching this video will be aware of the further education or higher education opportunities that will come through JEE mains. So as JEE mains is the admission criteria for getting into NITs, triple ITs, and even the government funded technical institutions. So if you look at the pyramid of technical institutions, so while the IITs are going to sit at the top, in the next level you have all these NITs, triple ITs, and other the government funded technical institutions. Below that, of course, will be the other state affiliated colleges, like Anna University affiliated colleges, etc., etc. So for somebody who is aspiring to get into good technical institute, so definitely JEE mains will be a coveted path. But idhula prachana enna, like again to go back to the initial question that we asked, if we need to get into these colleges, like say we want to get into NIT or we want to get into triple IT, what is the kind of an performance that we need to bring in, which means how much we need to score, etc. As some of you might be knowing, as per the new format of JEE mains, so the exam will be for a total of 300 marks, and based on whatever is your category, the cutoffs and other things will be decided. Just to understand, like say for example, suppose we are from Tamil Nadu vechukonga, obviously so I am doing the video in bilingual, so I am trying to address it for the students from Tamil Nadu. We have the state quota in NIT Trichy, in a state quota open quota. So if we need to get into NIT Trichy through state quota, quick we will see based on 2021 nariya data idhula collate pannala, just or indicative idhukkaga I have taken some data. So if you want further data, you can actually get the complete or particular branch kaga what is the opening and closing rank adella JOSA website la available ave irukka. But ipo nama enna or indicative, if we are looking at the home state quota students to get into NIT Trichy, what will be the cutoff rank? Okay va. So adukaprom we will see eppadi and the rank eppadi how to translate into marks adi na kaamikku poren. Okay, so paranga, so how much we need to score to get into these colleges appdin paatha, we can take these indicative numbers, like say if you look at NIT Trichy computer science engineering, right, லாஸ்ட் இயர் நம்ம பார்த்தா ஃபார் தி open category, like in cutoffs ella they will change based on the category, but opening category oda cutoff pathina the closing rank is around 5400. And madri for the girls kaga there is an special quota that is allocated if the number of admissions fall below some level, and the details kulla nama poradhu kedaiyadu, but avangalukku pathina we have the closing rank around 7000. And the matha categories pathina the cutoffs will vary for different categories. And the madri if you look at something like civil engineering BTech, same NIT Tiruchi home quota la civil engineering BTech for the open category, right, the closing rank is 27000. And the madri girls kaga irukra special quota la pathina that is 30000. The point enna, if we are looking for, because computer science and that is the best kind of an course that, I mean, that's the best and that is the most coveted course. So even we are coming up to civil, if you look at metallurgy and other things, right, the cutoff and the closing rank will be even lesser. But just to indicate idukkaga da nama paathitu. So ipo idilende how it will translate into marks. So just a basic idea kaga or a broad situation நம்ம பார்த்தா ஒரு 285 and 300. So this is all indicative based on the last year performance of the students. That will be our top 100 in terms of the ranks. அதுல இருந்து அப்படியே நம்ம வந்துட்டே இருந்தா, see if you are looking at a 5000 rank, right, that's somewhere around 200 plus mark. So out of 300 நம்ம ஒரு 200 plus score பண்ணா, that is going to give us a rank of around 5000. And the madri if we are looking at a rank of around 27000 and the madri, that's basically like a score of 120 plus or or 140 150 and the madri. So which means if we need to get into NIT Tiruchi under our state, I mean quota category, to take a branch like a civil or even metallurgical and other branches, right, it will be sufficient if we are able to get a score of 140 out of 300, which is like if you see in the pure terms like less than 50% score. Adana solla varudhu. So even if you look at the most coveted branch like computer science, adu paranga, so if you are able to get a score of 220, that's going to be like a safe score to get into computer science. Chari, I mean நம்ம சொல்றது என்னன்னா, if you are able to get ஒரு even எப்படி ஒரு 40% score or 40 to 50% score, you will be able to get some branch into NITs அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். But பார்த்தா like is it like the paper is going to be too tough that we can't even score a 40 or 50%? If you look at lot of the, I mean வெறும் நம்ம மட்டும் சொல்றது கிடையாது, lot of expert opinion இதெல்லாம் என்னன்னா, they will say this is not really tough task. Even நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So you can look at I mean NIT மட்டும் கிடையாது, if you see this IIIT காஞ்சிபுரம், right, அங்கேயும் அப்படிதான் பாருங்க. So if you need to get into computer science branch, the closing rank is 15000. Electrical பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 23000. So ஒரு 120 plus அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கோர்ல நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண out of 300, we will be able to get into some branch. நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி even like any year paper you take, see கண்டிப்பா என்ன தெரியுமா, ஒரு சில questions tough தான் இருக்கு. Like they will blur the difference between JEE mains and JEE main advance. So கண்டிப்பா அந்த questions ஒரு crash course ல இருந்து நம்ம போனா we might not be able to tackle those kind of questions, or it will be tough to tackle those questions. But நம்ம டெஃபினட்டா என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா, ஒரு பாதி 50% of the paper will be like CBSE plus level, which means somebody who's got understanding of the CBSE level concepts. நம்ம physics பத்தி சொல்லணும் இல்லைன்னா கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில சொல்லணும்னு சொன்னா, you may not require ability to solve too much integration, differentiation, application level questions. I mean if you are aiming to score 100%, yes, you have to have all those skills. all that practice. But if you look at 50% of the paper is something that will be at the CBSE plus level. In fact, நீங்க chemistry பார்த்தீங்கன்னா things like organic chemistry அதுலேருந்து you may even see even some chapters in physics, some theoretical reasoning questions வரதுக்கு there will be chances. அதனால தான் so always people keep saying NCERT நீங்க reference வச்சு நீங்க go through பண்ணா so definitely scoring in JEE mains chemistry will be a lot more easier அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So 50% of the paper, if you are saying that this is at a CBSE plus level, then obviously the question that a lot of us will have, the students who are going through 2-year coaching or even for some students are 9th standard and 10th standard, they will be starting to prepare. So why they are not able to meet this requirement? அதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு ஆன்சர் என்னன்னா, not being able to understand the right expectation of the exam. So while whatever the institute that they are going, they might be trying to train them in terms of the approach and the preparation part of it. If a student is not clear in terms of what is the expectation of the exam and channel his energy and time towards that, so kandipa enna, you would end up putting the effort, but the அவ்வளவா ப்ராடக்ட் ரிசல்ட் மாதிரி வராது. ஸோ இப்போ என்னன்னா we will look at particularly for those students who are looking to crack the JEE mains to the level where we'll be able to get admission into any of these colleges. This seems achievable. It's not like something impossible through a crash course. But point என்னன்னா, if you want to achieve a 50% score or a 60% score, definitely we will need a right planning. Suppose நம்ம ஒரு சாப்டர் எடுத்தா அந்த சாப்டருக்குள்ள என்னென்ன ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும். ஒரு பாஸ்ட் 5-6 இயர்ஸ்ல பார்த்தா எந்த மாதிரி மாடல்ஸ் அவங்க டச் பண்றாங்க, அந்த மாதிரி what are the chapters where we will be able to expect the theoretical questions. So right planning, strategy, preparation time ஆகட்டும், அந்த மாதிரி exam time with the guidance and mentorship by obviously senior faculties or faculties like IITians or NITians who have already been through these exams, right? Definitely it is going to give any student the best opportunity to crack the exam, even through a crash course. So just to conclude the discussion, right? Yes, I mean, if you are asking, bluntly, is it worth to take a crash course and then probably aim to get a good score in JEE mains? Good score in the sense, நம்ம முன்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி a score that will enable you to get a seat in any of these colleges, at least through the நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டேட் கோட்டா அதுலேருந்து. So definitely it is possible. அதுக்கு என்னன்னா, you need to have a structured approach, and if you are able to find a platform that can give you a structured and organized crash course, then you can go for it. And even the 1 month or 2 months or 3 months time that you are going to spend could possibly give you an admission into the top tier technical institutions. All the very best, and for more guidance about JEE mains and JEE advanced, keep watching videos on our channel. And kandipa for your JEE mains preparation support, if you would like to inquire about concept learning courses, so kandipa neenga and mela kudutha number you can just make a call or WhatsApp, and we will be able to see how we can help you in this journey. Once again, all the very best, and keep doing well.